Hello everyone, my name is Neil Kag and I am an application engineer at Engineering Techniques. Today I am going to tell you about some tips and tricks related to SolidWorks simulation. So let's get started. In this video we will going to see how to customize the default option, customization and the use of S key, how to use pin the command options, how to use splitline command and how to use the boundary conditions. So let's jump into our first point, that is how to customize the default options. As you can see that we have done one analysis on the model and have find the results of stress, displacement and strain. To edit the simulation result box, right click on it and click on edit definition tab. In the edit definition tab, you can choose the SI unit as per your preferences. You can also click on chart option and can view the number as scientific, floating and general. You can also optimize the color option for the simulation as rainbow, grayscale, user defined and optimization for color brightness. Now click on the simulation tab in the toolbar and click on options. In the options tab, click default options. In the default options, you can change the unit system to SI, English or matrix. You can also change the units of length, temperature, angular velocity, pressure as per your preferences. In addition with it, you can also add the plot as per your requirement. For example, we are adding the factor of safety plot. Now let's move to our next point, that is customization and the use of S key. So let's jump into the screen. To open the S key options, click on S in your keyboard. As you press the S, the tab opens of the S key. To customize the tab, right click on it and click customize. In the customize, there are many options of simulation, sheet metal and many more. Click on the simulation button and drag the options that you need to add in the shortcut bar as shown in the video. This is how you can use the S key options to minimize your analysis time and do your analysis more efficiently. Now let's move to our next option, that is pin the command. This option is used to give local interaction contact to more than one pair continuously. Let's see how we can do this. Here you can see that we have opened one assembly and we have to give contacts between the parts. To give contacts between the parts of this assembly easily, we need to explode the assembly. So let's do explode the assembly and view the exploded view. So here you can see that we have exploded the assembly. Now we can give contacts easily to them. Right click on the connection and then click local interaction contact. In the local interaction contact, on the top of the bar there is a pin option. Right click on that option and then select the faces to which we have to provide the contact. And then right click on it. you can see that the local interaction command does not disappear. That means we do not need to go back again to customization tree and right click on the connection and then give local interaction contact. From with the help of the pin option, we can continuously give contacts to more than one pair of contact. So this tool is very useful to save your analysis time and to increase your efficiency. So let's move to our next option, that is split line command, and see how split line command is used in simulation. Here we have taken one table and we have to apply load only at the center of the top face of the table. But if we select the center of the table, the whole face will be selected. So let's see how split line option will help us to do this. So first go to sketch and select the top face of the table and create one center square of 15 by 15 mm at the center of the top face of the table. Click OK. Now click on features tab and curves. In the curves, click split line options. The sketch is already selected, and in the type of split we will select projectile. Under the face selection, we will select the top face of the table and click OK. You can see that the table is split in two parts. So now we can apply the load only at the center of the table. Let's see how we can do this. And select the center of the table and click OK. So this is how split line can help us in our simulation analysis. Let's move to our last topic, that is how to reuse boundary conditions. Here in Solidworks, go to design library and then click on analysis library. Here you can see that there are many folders of environment, load, supports, examples, etc. To store the boundary condition in this folder, right click on the force, click add to library, select the folder in which you have to store this force and rename the file and then click OK. In the analysis design library, you can see that dummy load is stored in this. So how to apply this dummy load to other projects directly? So open the other project in which you have to apply that load. Click on design library. Here you can see that dummy load is present in it. Drag the dummy load on the surface in which you have to provide this load and then click OK. This is how you can store the boundary condition and then after reuse it to save the time and work more efficiently. Thank you.